Hi everyone! Today I'm wearing my first cardigan in cotton version. So we have this cardigan in merino number 5, which is the chunky wool, merino wool, and this is made with cotton, big cotton, which is 100% natural cotton. So compared to merino number 5, the cotton is a little bit more heavier, so it drapes differently. Someone who has allergic to wool or just the one for the spring and summer, they want some cotton. This is a great project to take in. And we have a video tutorial. It's free, and pattern is also free. You go to our website loopymango.com. You can download the free pattern, and the video shows you the complete tutorial from beginning to end. So this is a little cropped cardigan. It's very cute. You can wear over jeans and skirt and dress. It's very convenient and very comfortable. And this is a color called pearl, which is natural off-white cotton. So this is the sleeves a little longer, and this is actually bigger size. And so this was berry blue, which is pastel blue, so pretty. And it's a very easy. Follow the pattern and watch the video tutorials. My first cardigan in cotton version. And yeah, this is made with our big cotton. Beautiful. And it's chunky, so it goes very fast. I love this color too, hot pink. I hope you make it and find out how easy it is. Ciao!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.